Welcome to Lesson 4 of Life Fundamentals for Dummies series, 16 Things School Doesn't Teach You, but we will. In this lesson, we will talk about how to negotiate like a pro. Negotiating is a valuable skill that can help you in various aspects of life, from resolving conflicts to making business deals. It's not about winning or losing. It's about finding solutions that work for everyone involved. In this lesson, we will break down 4 essential elements for successful negotiation, which are communicate, finding common ground and compromise, overcoming obstacles, achieve mutual benefit. The first step is communicate, addressing the needs. Negotiation starts with communication. It's like having a conversation where you discuss your wants and needs, but also listen carefully to what the other person wants and needs. Effective communication means expressing yourself clearly and respectfully. We have talked about basic communication in our previous lesson. If you want to dive deeper in details or reviewing it, you can go back there and continue with this one. We will talk about tips for communicating in negotiation. First, as the key aspect we mentioned before in the previous lesson, is to listen actively. Pay attention to what the other person is saying without interrupting. This shows respect for their perspective. Second, use I statements. Express your thoughts and feelings using phrases like I think or I feel. This helps avoid blame and encourages open discussion. Third, ask open-ended questions. Encourage the other person to share more about their viewpoint by asking questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. The next step is finding common ground and compromise. Negotiation often involves finding middle ground where both parties can agree. Here's how to do it. First, identify shared goals. Start by identifying common goals or interests. What do both parties want to achieve? Focus on this shared objective to build a foundation for compromise. Second, give and take. Compromise is about give and take. Be willing to make concessions, but also ask for something in return. This way, both sides feel they have gained something from the negotiation. Third, explore options. Brainstorm different solutions to the problem. Don't settle for the first idea that comes to mind. Be creative and open to new possibilities. Fourth, be flexible. Flexibility is key to compromise. You may need to adjust your expectations and be open to alternative solutions. Avoid rigid positions that can hinder progress. The next element is overcoming obstacles. Negotiations can encounter obstacles, but with effective communication, you can navigate them. First, conflict resolution. Conflicts may arise during negotiation. Address them calmly and constructively. Focus on the issues, not personal attacks. Try to find common ground to resolve conflicts. 2. Dealing with difficult people. Sometimes you may negotiate with challenging individuals. Stay patient and give communication respectful. Use active listening to understand their perspective and find ways to connect. 3. Stay composed. Negotiations can be emotional. Stay composed and avoid reacting impulsively. Take a step back if needed and return to the discussion when emotions have cooled down. 4. External factors. External factors like time constraints or expected events can disrupt negotiations. Adapt and communicate openly about these challenges to find solutions. The final step is to achieve mutual benefit. The goal of negotiation should be a win-win situation where both parties benefit. Here is how to achieve mutual benefit. First, create value. Look for opportunities to create value for both sides. Find solutions that maximize benefits and minimize loss for both parties. 2. Build trust. Trust is essential in negotiation. Keep your promises and maintain honesty throughout the process. Trust helps both parties feel secure in the agreement. 3. Document the agreement. Once an agreement is reached, document it clearly. This ensures that both parties have a shared understanding of the terms and commitments. 4. Evaluate and adjust. After the negotiation, assess whether both parties are benefiting as expected. If not, be open to adjusting the agreement to ensure ongoing mutual benefit. In summary, successful negotiation involves effective communication, finding common ground, overcoming obstacles, and ultimately achieving mutual benefit. By addressing each other's needs, being open to compromise, and navigating challenges with respect and empathy, you can become a skilled negotiator in various aspects of life. Remember, negotiation is not just about getting what you want. It's about creating values and building positive relationships. So, go out there and negotiate like a pro. But even if you try your best, sometimes you just don't get what you want. Don't worry, we get you covered. In our next lesson, we will talk about how to face failure.